Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to your Zoom meeting if you have forgotten your password. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's get straight into the video. Open your Zoom app on your phone, enter your email address, so now that you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password. Type your email address here. Then tap on Send. Zoom has sent a mail to your Gmail to reset the password. Now open your Gmail. Then look for this message Zoom has sent you. Click here to change your password. Then you can open with any of your browsers. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now type your password. Confirm your password. Then tap on Save. Now that your password has been reset, go back to your Zoom app. Type your new password here. After you're done typing your password, tap on Sign In. Just like that, you are logged in to your Zoom meeting app. For more videos on Zoom, we have other videos for you. You can check other videos in our channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.